Is this recording? I don't know. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It has been a minute since we've seen each other, since we talked, since we caught up, but I just want to say thank y'all so much for getting my passion twist video to over 100,000 views. That is so crazy to me, like to think about that over 100,000 people are looking at little old me. That's crazy. But thank y'all so much, literally. Thank you for supporting me, and I'm so excited for my upcoming videos, especially this one. Like I said it about all my videos, but y'all, this one is the video. Like I don't know, this is just it. Like these I can't even talk because like I'm obsessed with these headband wigs. I really am, and I was anxiously waiting for them to come in the mail so I can put them up on my site so I can give y'all the tea and y'all can, you know, look like me. No, I'm just kidding. But no, I was waiting for these to come in because I just had a feeling that these were going to be so bomb, and it is just such a great alternative because of the lace shortage that is going on. And this is just for girls who like don't want to deal with the lace and glue, because baby, I don't like dealing with it. So I understand, I know the struggle, but this is so like effortless. It takes 2 seconds to install. I won't even call it an install because you're not really installing anything. You're literally putting on a headband with hair attached, and it just looks so bomb, literally. All the links to everything will be in the description below. The headband wigs, the headbands, yes y'all, I am restocking on my accessories on my site as well, baileynicole.com, so y'all go shop because yes. And if y'all like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment below what your favorite headband wig style is, because I genuinely want to know. I love when y'all talk to me. I love when y'all give me feedback and yeah y'all, continue watching and I hope you like it. Okay, so to prep my hair for these amazing headband wigs, I just slicked my hair back in a neat little bun, did my little baby hairs, added some lip gloss, and put on a wig cap. I promise I'm going to give y'all a baby hair tutorial because I know y'all been asking, but this video would have been literally an hour long if I would have added that in here. The first headband wig I'm going to show y'all is this 24-inch 180 density water wave unit. So the insides of these units have this stretchy headband that attaches in the back with Velcro. It has 4 total combs for extra security, 3 in the front and 1 in the back, and also an elastic hook for extra security and to make sure it fits correctly. These wigs come in small, medium, and large, so you can literally get the perfect fit. Okay y'all, so for the fun part, I wouldn't really even call this the installation because you're literally just plopping this on your head. You're going to take that front middle comb and place it in the middle of your hair. To determine the placement, I'm just pulling the headband forward to see where it's going to lay and just adjusting it accordingly. Next, I'm going to put the back comb in place right up under my bun in the back, and then I'm going to secure the side combs. I will say that, like, be careful that you're not pulling or putting so much tension on your hair and your hairline, because honestly this wig was way more secure than I thought. The last step is just securing that Velcro, and then boom, installed. That literally took like 30 seconds, if even that. So this is how the wig looks on and secured. The headband is where I want it to be. The edges look good. Yes, ma'am. I've honestly already worn this a few times, so I need to freshen up these waves. I'm just adding some water, curl cream, and mousse and making sure it's moisturized. All the products will be in the description below. If y'all are interested in an in-depth curly hair routine, I have a video up on my channel right now, so go check that out because I'm probably not going to go too much in depth here, but y'all kind of get the, you know, what I'm doing. Alright y'all, so let's get to styling because I know that's why y'all are here. So y'all, I literally counted 29 styles between these 4 headband wigs in this video, which is crazy, and I promise you they're all bomb, so definitely keep watching. A lot of these styles are pretty self-explanatory, and I also labeled them at the bottom of the screen, so I'm really not going to talk too much in this video, so just pay attention and let me know what style y'all like the best in the comments. I think the Jerry curl unit is my favorite. It's the one after this, but I don't know, y'all. Just let me know what y'all think and what y'all's favorites are. All of the links to these wigs will be in the description below. Oh, and also you'll see a few of my bling and fur headbands that are also available on my site, so go check those out. Alright, love y'all. Keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, y'all. Well, not bye. Keep watching. Bye. Wait, I don't know why I keep saying bye. Just keep watching.
Damn, Jacob, this shit crack. Damn, Jacob, this shit crack. Jacob, this shit crack.
About you in my dreams at night.
Tell me, do you hear me when I speak? Yeah, yeah.
Damn, Jacob, this shit crack.
Oh my gosh, this is my favorite one, y'all. So y'all will see me start off spraying this hair, but I realized like this hair was just too much, so I literally went in the shower and I wet it and then I came back. So that's why it's like it skips from me spraying to it being wet. So yeah. Alright y'all, so this is what I meant. To get that wet look, I started off by spraying it with the spray bottle, but I realized even after sectioning the hair off that it was just going to take too long. So I went to the bathroom, I got in the shower, and then I wet it, and yeah, came back and it was perfect. I went on with those same products that I always use on my curly hair and wavy hair, and y'all, look at how luscious and bouncy these curls are. I am literally so in love. This is the Kinky Curly texture, and it is also available on my site. You can get this in bundles, lace wigs, full lace wigs, whatever. So yeah, y'all go check that out because these curls are literally to die for. This is also one of my favorite headbands in my accessories collection on my site. This is the fur headband in pink. It is so cute.
Damn, Jacob, this shit crack.
haven't already checked out my curly hair routine, that will be linked in the description below as well. So yeah, go check that out, y'all.
Jacob, this shit crazy. Jacob, this shit crack. Damn, Jacob, this shit crack. Jacob, this shit crack. Damn, Jacob, this shit crack. Jacob, this shit crack.
I literally probably put lip gloss on while filming this like 5 times, but baby, keep those lips moisturized because it is getting cold, okay?
Damn, Jacob, this shit crack. this shit crazy.
Alright y'all, we're on to the last headband wig because I know y'all are probably tired of me now. This unit, I didn't show as many styles because they would have been very repetitive to the ones I already showed. But the pineapple bun was super cute and it turned out to be one of my favorite actually. So yeah.
Damn, Jacob, this shit crack. Damn, Jacob, this shit crack.
Okay girl, clearly I was feeling myself, but y'all, this was so cute and it looks so natural. Thank you so much for watching this video, y'all. I really hope y'all enjoyed it just as much as I did. All of the links will be below on everything that I have mentioned in this video, the headband wigs, the headbands, and anything else. So make sure y'all read that description and make sure y'all click the links and like, comment, and subscribe like I said, because yeah, I love when y'all talk to me. So leave a comment on which wig y'all like the most and which look y'all like the most. All right y'all, thanks for watching.